Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will learn how to make table of contents for a document. So let's get started. I have this document in front of me. I'll go to MS Word. From the upper menu bar, I'll click on Reference. Then here I'll click on Table of Contents. You can see there are different designs available. You can choose whatever you like according to your document. Let's see. I'll choose this one. Now what I'll do, just bear with me. I'll move here. Production, this is my main heading. I'll make it little bit bold and 18 point size. Introduction will be my heading 1. I'll click on heading 1. So you can see it gives you a number 1 heading, and this arrow means the heading 1 has been started. Now the background of study, this will be my heading 2, but here this number style is not okay. I will give them 1.1 point and okay. You can move this from here to here. Next one, this will be my heading 2 again. Heading 2. Again, if this number sign is appearing, you need to add 1.2 point and enter. And again, you can adjust its size here. This will be heading 2 again. (1.3). Aim of study. Again, this will be my heading number 1.4. Again, you can resize it. I'm not resizing it just for the time. So 1.5 point again. This will be my heading 2. 1.5 point. Just change its color. Then I have this chapter 2. 18. This will be my heading again. This is chapter number 2. You can see this 2 number is appearing here. Then this will be my heading number 2. And here I'll give 2.1 point. This will be again heading 2. 2.2 point. Again, you can adjust is like that. Then heading 2 again. Ignore this sign and 2.3 point. (2.4). This will be heading 2 again. This is my chapter number 3. So this will be my main heading. So I'll click on heading 1. So it gives me auto number, which is 3. So this will be my heading number 2. And again, if this is appearing, just delete it and 3.1 point add. Again, this will be my heading number 2. 3.2 point. This is again my heading number 1, which is chapter 4. This is again my heading number 2. Here 4.1 point. Let's see, I'll go back to my table of contents again. Here I'll update my table and you can see it gives me all the contents with page numbers. This is my chapter 1, 1.1 and page literature review 3, 4 and so on. You can see this is updated till 9, page number 9, because I just provided him detail till page number 9. I'll go back again. 4.1, I'll give again this heading 2. 4.2 point. Again, this will be heading 2. 0.3. Heading 2 again. If this is appearing, just ignore it and type manually 4.4, and sometimes it will give you automatic numbers. Sometimes it create problem. If it is creating problem, then just manually write it down, and then you can adjust its size by here. Again, this one 4.6 point this. Heading 2 again 4.8. Yes, see, this is 4.6 because I gave him 4.8 heading, so it's auto selected. Heading 2 again 4.8 point this, and this is my last chapter. I'll give this to heading 1, which is 5. So now all the headings are completed. I'll go back to my table of contents and I'll update my table by clicking this, and I'll update page. If you want to update page numbers, you will click here. If you want to update entire table, so you will click here. You can see now all the page numbers with serial numbers are updated. So this is how you can make your table of content. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share my channel, Cecil Consulting, and leave your comment and feedback. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.